Ndị be anyị ekene m unu n'ụbọchị nke taa. Anyị si na ya dịrị ndị Igbo na mma. Dịka o si dị, ihe a bụ Igbo midia ka anyị si wee na-ewetara unu ya bụ nnukwu ozi dị oke mkpa gbasịta maka ana Igbo and Igbo community and ihe debe na Nigeria. Ya bụ ife ka anyị na-ewetara unu na Igbo midia. Dịka isi wee na-esole anyị, ọ bụ na nke a bụ ụbọchị izizi gị ị na-abịa n'ilu akwụkwọ na Igbo midia, kabaru ka i subscribe and turn on your notification ka ị lapụ miss any of our update dịka anyị na-etikwu ya n'ilu akwụkwọ kwa mgbe. Dịka o si dị, o nwere ya wetara n'ụbọchị nke taa gbasịta maka ka ya bụ ife si ada and gbasịta maka ka ya bụ ife si akpọtụ n'ala Igbo. Biko mma achọ ka ige ya bụ ife. Ihe a bụ ihe BIAFRA Chief of Staff bụ Ngozi Orabueze kwuru n'ilu akwụkwọ gbasịta maka ka o si ada na Finland and gbasịta maka Biafran Prime Minister Maazị Simon Ekpa. So igecha ya bụ ife idropụra ife iche n'ilu akwụkwọ gbasịta maka ihe bụ ife ndị a niile okwu. All right, over to you.
Ebe m bi na Virginia, the city, 7 cities nọ n'ime anyị nwere anyị na-akpọ Ogene Cultural Association. I have this month is making it 3 months I was suspended because of Biafra, and I thank God Biafra has been restored and the 40 United States of Biafra in existence. For them still stay aside. God did not call you to be those to restore Biafra. So those that is angry within us, getting angry, but God is using those who made to make it happen. No fear. Another thing I'm trying to suggest, my dear brothers and sisters of Biafra, great Biafrans, lovers of God, it's time for us to be having zonal meetings face to face and state, wherever we are, any country we are living, any city we are living, members that are really Biafrans. And is this the time we have to be gathering together? So that this media system has to be limited, because anything in the media, somebody has to take it and send it to our enemy. They keep on getting strategy for destructing our progress. It's not going to happen anymore. That's my suggestion, number one. And number two, Biafra, the 40 United States of Biafra, and the map is on the Google. Anybody Google it up and pull it up. They're all in Google website. Thank you. You are remembrance.
Remembrance. Mazi, I want to ask you a question. You say you are in state of Virginia?
Yes, ma'am.
Do you belong to any group? Because we need...
Yes.
Okay. Thank you. Thank you from there. We need money now for someone here close to us here. Okay.
I'm going to help him set up his recurring donation.
All right. Thank you, Mazi Joku.
I want to say something. I'm in the house. So.
No, it's your turn, Mazi, now. It's your turn, Mazi. Thomas Victor. Go ahead.
Thank you. God bless you. I greet everyone. I greet everybody. My DPM, Dr. Ngozi Orabueze, you are blessed. God don't bless you finish. Ogo 247. All of you. My finance director, God bless you. All of you are blessed. Please, my own is not a question. My state, I don't want to stay or to start my job late in my state. Please, I've discussed with a DPM before, but it's like job work is too much for her. Please, I want everybody to help me so that I can be able to go into my de facto and start working there. Please, I'm very, very sorry to say this, but I'm very, very worried because my state is down. I don't want what do we call him, Ebong Samuel, to damage so much thing for me in my state. Please, Itayana state, that is my state. I want to start working there very, very hard now, please. I want them to participate in all this contribution that we are doing. Thank you.
Thank you so much. Next.
I want to say something, please.
Who is that?
This Pastor Victor.
No, not your wisdom. Okay, wisdom. I know you. 30 seconds. Go ahead, please.
Agreed. Good evening, everyone. I just see this meeting because I call. You gave me a go, so I come back very late, and the place I go no network. So as I call now on my data, and I see the meeting. So my advice to everyone, because I know that we are lacking security conscious. The only thing, and because you people make the thing simple and short for all the, because I know so this meeting is not for only for security, but it's for everyone. So for we to know ourselves, everyone need to know him. All the whole 40 states have governor. Everyone need to know him governor, because I'll use my state as example now. I'm from Owerri State, besides Nahaji. It is only 2 states we have for this Owerri State, 2 school premises, but there's many school premises in this Nahaji, in this Owerri, but no need to some no. So I ask question, who those ones, who are them working for? Who are then those schools working for?
Those what?
Because those all ones, because there is many schools in this Owerri state, but the only 2 schools, me, I confirm B44 and our own school. So which other schools is working for? Which governor
Wisdom.
controlling them?
Wisdom.
Yes, ma.
Wisdom.
Ma.
Even though that's not you can always text the defense secretary or myself for clarification on your question. Again, there is only one government. We are running the United States of Biafra. Anybody, if you are aware of any other people and what they are doing, it is important to bring it to the notice of the defense secretary, right? Honorable Nkwocha. And then, yeah, just, and then this applies to all the states. All the states. If you notice anyone, anybody, harassing innocent Biafrans in their homes, claiming they are working for somebody, maybe the delegitimized governors, like Ebuka or whatever group, it is your responsibility to bring it to the notice of myself or the defense secretary or the deputy defense secretary, okay?
Okay.
All right, thank you.
I have another thing to say.
Go ahead, quickly, please. We have to round up.
So what I need to say now is we in this whole land, because some meeting I'm joining here, because anytime I come this meeting, my spirit always tell me something. Those one who is not with us, who is the one who is sending them all this link? Because there's many people in this in all this meeting is not with us. I like it because I joined this meeting. No, just date here one now. Because I like the way you do it. Before we start meeting, everyone needs to introduce himself and call the state he come from. But I don't know this one now, whether is it the same thing or not the same thing. Because I know that after our meeting, not be people believe or this our United States, there is a sabo, there is a betrayer joining this meeting. Who is giving them all this link? So I want us to know and define, verify how to know ourselves.
Okay, Wisdom, we've heard you. Mr. Wisdom, thank you so much for that observation. Again, we are running an open, transparent government, unless things that are not supposed to be in the public domain. Anything we bring to the public, it is public. It is meant to be public. It is legal. It is right. Just like our Prime Minister used to tell us, anything that that he is doing is open. So I understand what you're talking about. Again, in the area of restoration, remember, it's not everybody that have to agree with what you are doing or what we are doing. In fact, in the restoration of any nation, it's less than 1%. 1% of the people that really restore the nation.
Yeah.
It is not everybody that will be involved. So continue to follow the United States of Biafra. I know you are safe in that angle, and then you can only do so much. Anything anybody is doing, as long as they do not disrupt what this government is doing, it is okay. That is all we have to say. Whenever anybody feels comfortable, that is their own business. But as long as they do not intrude or tamper with what we are doing, I mean, that is the only time we will, if they tamper with that, that's the only time we can react. Thank you so much. The next person.
Okay, all
Please,
right.
ma'am, I remember. Please, ma'am, I remember it. I am now, please.
And what you wanted was the admin, right?
Yes, to add us in the admission,
Okay,
so that we
I'll
can be
do
able to
that.
pick up.
Okay, I'll do that. Send me a text later, maybe in the next 3 hours. Send me a text message or the next 2 hours. Thank you. Go ahead.
Thank you.
Okay, the next is Oraimo Mobile. Oraimo Mobile, please, it's your turn. Oraimo.
Yeah, greetings, my able PM, DPM. I want to thank you so much for whatever you are doing. My name is Nelson Mark. I want to thank you for your good work. I don't have any question to ask. I just want to say you are doing well. Mama, you are doing well.
Thank you.
May God continue to use you, give you more wisdom, more grace, more anointing to take us where you are taking us. We are following you.
Thank you.
Thank you so much. Thank you all, Biafra. Thank you all, Cabinet. May Chukwu Kikabiama continue to give you more grace and power to win the enemies. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much.
Oraimo, what's your home state? What's the name of your home state? I'm just curious.
Anyoma State.
Oh, thank you. Thank you so much. Okay, the last but not the least is Maz Merrick. Your turn, please. Merrick. Merrick. Maz Merrick, go ahead.
Yes. My hand is up.
Go ahead and speak.
Okay, my name is Mary. I'm a native of Apo and Hamu. Currently, we are. I'm from Old Energy State. Then in Biafra, I'm from the Hamu is in the state of Energy. So I want to make some. I currently live now in Paris, France, and I've been following my contribution.
Maz, can you speak up a little bit? Your volume is kind of low. Please, we can't hear you properly.
Okay. Can you hear me now?
Yeah, you can put your mouth close to your phone mic, please.
Okay. I think this is Apo in a Hamu state of English currently. And I want to make some contributions regarding to the development in our land. Here where I used to live before I relocated to here in Paris, I'm very active member in our meeting and its contributions, although I have not made any contribution towards to my state of music currently. But I'm glad I've met my governor now, which is Mazoganiru. So I want to chip in some stuff that the problems that have been existing in Hamufu for so long, and I want to tell you that the Hamufu comprises so many land. Versatile land with a good number of populations, in which as of 2006, their Nigerian census one community numbers over 7,000, one community, and we have up to 9 constituted independent or autonomous community. And for the issue of the insecurity happening in a Hamufu, we have been fighting this for a very long time, and we have been defeating the terrorists for a very long time now, even up to when the recent one that happened in 2022 that made our PM, Prime Minister Simon Ekpa, cried, or mobilized men on the ground, is because the Nigerian terrorists, the army, hello.
Please ask your question. I need that story because we want to round up, and I think we can go and read all that story about Yamufu. Just ask you. We have to round up, please. Just if you have a question, just 1 minute.
My question now is there any help forward to to assist any help on ground to assist my people, especially the men on ground, because we have a very formidable force. Apart from the sabotage we have been getting, because the military, Nigeria soldiers always come and disarm our youth for a very long. They have done it like more than 3 times now. So, my question is there any measures the Biafra government has put in place to reinforce our soldiers currently? That's my question.
Which of the soldiers are you talking about?
I mean our youth, because we have been, like I've said, we have been in the fight for a very long time. You understand? But the army, the Nigeria army, with federated terrorists, they have been disarming our youth for a very long time.
Yeah,
and
so
that's why the whole thing came in.
Are you in the platform for your state?
Yeah, no, but I'm a full participant where I live, where I used to live in Greece.
Where you live? Okay, so are you in any of the official platforms for Biafra, either USB, either the Telegram or the WhatsApp? Are you in any of those platforms?
Yes, I'm in the platform of USB and Telegram, and also I'm also in the platform of my own rep in Greece. Also, yeah.
Okay.
I have in Greece, except in Paris. Yeah, I don't have anywhere here in Paris.
Okay, so you are in that one. Have you been participating in fundraising for the USB?
Oh yes.
Okay, so you have to reach out to the administrator or the governor of your state in either of those Telegram or WhatsApp platform. When you reach out to him or her, then he will be able to talk with you in the area of coordination between the state, the citizens, and the commanders that they have in the state, okay?
Okay.
Yeah,
but I don't know how to. Yes, but I don't know how to reach to my governor. I mean, I don't have his contact. It's from this snippet where I even know his name is Organiru, Mas Organiru.
Organiru Biafra, the one that talked from Enugu State.
Exactly. And I need his contact.
So if you're in those 2 platforms, the official platform of your state, you're going to see his name there as an admin.
I don't. DCM. I have, but the platform I am is the general USB platform, and the one I used to the one I have also in Greece.
Okay, so the general USB, is it the Telegram or the WhatsApp?
The Telegram.
Okay, I'm gonna drop the Enugu State official platform in the general one, and then once you see the link, you click on that, and it will take you to Enugu State. Okay, once you get in there, you're gonna see Organiru there. Then you can send him a private message on what you need. Okay.
Okay, Your Excellency. Thank you so much. We really appreciate your steadfastness. God
Thank
bless
you.
and more
Thank
grace
you.
to Ebu.
All right. Thank you so much. All
Okay.
right.
All right, man.
DPM, this is it.
Yes.
Huh?
DPM, this is it. We've come to the end.
Yes.
Oh
Yes.
yeah. Oh yeah. Thank you so much, everyone. And we've come to the end of this program. I think we didn't know it's gonna last this long. It was just supposed to be a Twitter space briefing by the Defense Secretary and the Deputy Defense. So I'll just give them Defense Secretary and Deputy 2 minutes to round up, and then we close this meeting. Please go ahead, the Deputy Defense and then the Defense Secretary, and then we will close this. Go unmute yourself, please.
Okay, thank you, DPM, and thank you, Biafrans. And tonight, we appreciate the fact that all Biafrans have here once again gathered to listen from our standpoint. We have been able to talk to Biafrans about the prevailing issues.
The recording has stopped.
Oh, no.
This meeting is being recorded.
Issues that have been around trending all over the social media, whereby our trusted and able generals expressed their concerns. And it also goes to underscore the importance of the democracy that we adopted. But we also highlighted the importance of chain of command. While we appreciate our freedom, we must also understand that freedom is not free. And we must all understand that there are limitations in what we do.
Anyame, we're not seeing your face.
Okay. Okay, thank you very much.
Yeah, it's better now. We're just seeing your mouth.
Okay, I'm sorry, Biafra. It wasn't intentional. It was the angle that I left my phone. That was the reason. But there's no need to go, back and forth. Once again, appreciate your attendance. Biafrans, our homeland, continue to stay safe, continue to support our government, and continue to support our men there who are working to keep you safe. There's no need to point fingers. There's no need to sell them out. May God continue to bless Biafrans. May God continue to bless Biafra. Please support our DPM, Agwai. Thank you, Biafrans, and good night.
Thank you.
Thank you so much, Onyame. Let's go to the Defense Secretary. 2 minutes, please.
Thank you, Honorable DPM. Thank you for everything you do for Biafrans. Thank you, Biafrans. I guess you can see that we're able to demonstrate to you what has been trending. I also want to add to that, to what the Honorable Deputy Defense Secretary has just said. We are a nation now, and we're 40 states big, so we are fighting from every angle. Like DPM said, we have just one goal post. We have to aim the net. We have to hit inside the net, not on the net.
The net.
Inside the net. To hit inside the net, not on the net. So we have to score. So I know, because we are very big on basically security. It's very, very important to us. Okay. And when it comes to security, we also have people have to be mindful of things that can happen that can jeopardize your even position and our standing as a government. So security is a big issue for us, and we're going to be conducting or implementing the code of conduct to guide our young army, so that they can protect them and provide a way of behavior, basically, the way to act with the relationship between them and their governors, between them and fellow soldiers, and between them and the government. So it's very, very important, because this is a learning process.
Wadaloli neno from Igbo media, boy by Siwene Utenu Nyabozi, Joe Kempa, Bastabak Yeme na Nigeria, and Yene Menebedi Chiche, na Eastern region, and Uno Kosi Adana Finland, and the Biafran Prime Minister, Casey Judea, the update, and the Yabo Biafran declaration came in Finland, so Yelina Kaya, I know Utelu Niba Huko. Kifi wali kubwa maka yabo iye chief of staff kugasinirwa kuko yaneboro tagasiaka and the new development on Biafra of United States of Biafra. So yabi feka isikai tiedo no kono gwa ifu nche n'ụdị nkunu gbasata maka ya bụ ife ngwa daalụ dị nenu nke mesịa na ụmụnne m